What's up, YouTube? Coming at you guys back with another video. Today we've got a couple of things going on. We've got the giveaway winner, so I will announce that. So shout out to that individual. And we also have the Alcantara Gauge cluster trim piece, and I'll do just a quick overview on that, and then we're going to go down and get that piece installed, and I'll show off the other pieces that I've done as well, either from Sweidit or Overland Designs. This specific piece is once again from Sweidit. If this is your first time on the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I appreciate all the support from every subscriber that I've gained from the channel. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Alright guys, so this is the Sweidit Gauge cluster trim piece. From obviously this is the Alcantara, and I got the red trim to match the rest of the interior. Pretty simple install, so it shouldn't take I'm guessing more than 5 to 10 minutes. We will see, but yeah, this should be a pretty sweet piece to match the rest of the Alcantara upgrades that I've made with the interior. So just give you guys an overview of what that looks like. Just to show you guys, I did the PRL reservoir cover and the evasive license plate frame. I did a giveaway in my last video, and the winner of that is going to be Melly Mel. If I can get it to focus. There we go. And make sure you guys go give him a follow. But yeah, congratulations to you. I'll get this shipped out to you either today or over the weekend. Alright guys, so we got the factory bezel gauge cover piece off. I wanted to save some time, but I'll show you what you need to do to get this off. Is one, you're going to want to take off the wing piece trims. Take those off. You can just use a simple plastic pry tool to do that. Once that is complete, you'll reach underneath the radio, pull this piece out. It just comes right out, and then once that happens, these two flashlight, there's two Phillips you can use a Phillips head screwdriver to take these two bolts, 1 and 2 right there. Once you get that out, you're going to grab the back of the head unit. You'll pull that, and that will come out. Basically what you're doing, or what you're trying to do, is we're wanting to get this carbon piece, this trim piece here, we want to get that piece to snap out. So once again, use the plastic pry tool to do that, and then same thing on this side. You'll just want to use a plastic pry tool, snap that carbon fiber piece out, and that will give you access to pull the entire factory gauge bezel trim out. And now we're going to place the Alcantara piece in, and we'll see what it looks like. Alright guys, so now we've had some time as far as some sunlight, so I apologize for the darker video of the installation. The installation was very simple. It took me 5 to 10 minutes. Mainly just removing those pieces that I showed, and then you just use a plastic pry tool to pop the factory gauge cluster trim, and then just place that new Alcantara piece in, and then snap those pieces that we took off back in place, and then you're all set to go. So let me show you guys some shots of what it looks like, and I'll also try to show the other pieces in the interior as well, so you can see how everything looks together. All right, guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Shout out to Sweidit once again for the awesome piece. I know making these custom upholstery pieces or interior pieces is not the easiest thing, but they do a great job at it, guys. So I'll leave their contact information below. Basically just send them a DM on either Instagram or send them a message on Facebook, and they'll work with you to get your pieces done if you're interested in doing so. Hope you guys enjoyed the video as well, and I will be at the iHeart Honda Festival on Sunday. I believe this video is probably going to upload on Sunday, so if you see me, say what's up. But other than that, I appreciate the support, guys, and that's a wrap for this video. Till next time, I'm out.